Hi, in the previous videos, we have seen multiple sub-options under configurations of additional details. Now, in this video, let's understand about bill-wise details. Let me edit the same transaction. And under additional details, click on bill-wise details. Let's understand about the type of reference. Whenever there is a new invoice, or let us understand about type of reference. Whenever a new invoice is received from a vendor, usually new reference is automatically selected by Kitaabh. And you can notice that we have multiple sub options under type of reference, advance, against reference, new reference, and on account. Let's understand each in detail. So let's say you receive a new invoice from a vendor. Usually new reference is considered as the type of reference. If you make any advance payment to the vendor, then you can select the option as advance. And if you have a specific invoice which is outstanding to be paid to the vendor and you are currently making a payment, then the type of reference would be as against reference. And on account reference is used for any other adjustments which you might need for recording a certain transaction. So this is about type of reference. You can also see other details of the invoice like the bill number, the due date, the amount, and the debit or credit. You also have an option to add additional bill details within the same transaction. You can also select any pending outstanding bills from the same vendor within the same transaction. So this is about bill-wise details in a purchase transaction in Kitaabh.